10 Synonyms and Antonyms. Part 2. Young. Synonyms: youthful, fresh, juvenile, adolescent, immature. Meaning: in an early stage of life or development. Example: the youthful athlete ran with incredible energy. Antonyms: old, mature, aged, senior, elderly. Meaning: having lived for many years or showing signs of age. Example: the mature trees provided ample shade in the park. Quiet. Synonyms: silent, peaceful, calm, serene, still. Meaning: free from noise or disturbance. Example: the serene lake reflected the morning light. Antonyms: loud, noisy, boisterous, clamorous, rowdy. Meaning: full of sound or activity. Example: the noisy crowd cheered enthusiastically. Bright. Synonyms: shiny, radiant, luminous, brilliant, glowing. Meaning: giving off or reflecting much light. Example: the radiant stars lit up the night sky. Antonyms: dark, dim, dull, shadowy, murky. Meaning: lacking brightness or light. Example: the dim room felt gloomy and unwelcoming. Friendly. Synonyms: kind, amiable, affable, warm, sociable. Meaning: showing kindness or being pleasant in interactions. Example: the affable host made everyone feel at home. Antonyms: unfriendly, hostile, cold, aloof, distant. Meaning: lacking warmth or kindness. Example: his aloof demeanor discouraged conversation. Brave. Synonyms: courageous, fearless, bold, daring, heroic. Meaning: showing courage in the face of danger or difficulty. Example: the fearless firefighter saved the child from the burning building. Antonyms: cowardly, fearful, timid, weak, faint-hearted. Meaning: lacking bravery or showing fear. Example: the timid boy hesitated to speak in front of the class. Lazy. Synonyms: idle, inactive, sluggish, indolent, lethargic. Meaning: unwilling to work or use energy. Example: the indolent cat slept all day by the fireplace. Antonyms: active, energetic, hardworking, industrious, diligent. Meaning: engaged in action, full of energy, or putting effort into work. Example: the industrious student completed all her assignments early. Angry. Synonyms: furious, upset, mad, irritated, annoyed. Meaning: feeling or showing strong displeasure or hostility. Example: he was furious when he found out about the mistake. Antonyms: calm, peaceful, happy, serene, content. Meaning: free from anger or disturbance, feeling at ease. Example: she remained calm despite the challenging situation. Strong. Synonyms: sturdy, powerful, robust, vigorous, mighty. Meaning: having great physical strength, energy, or influence. Example: the robust athlete easily lifted the heavy weights. Antonyms: weak, fragile, feeble, frail, helpless. Meaning: lacking strength or power. Example: the feeble old man needed assistance to walk. Sharp. Synonyms: keen, pointed, acute, cutting, incisive. Meaning: having an edge or point that is able to cut or pierce, quick-witted. Example: her keen mind allowed her to solve the puzzle quickly. Antonyms: blunt, dull, slow, rounded, unsharpened. Meaning: not sharp or lacking a cutting edge, slow to understand. Example: the blunt knife couldn't cut through the bread. Tall. Synonyms: high, towering, lofty, elevated, long. Meaning, of great height compared to the average. Example, the towering skyscraper dominated the city skyline. Antonyms, short, low, small, stumpy, little. Meaning, of small height, closer to the ground. Example, the low table was perfect for the kids to sit around. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe for more English practice exercises.